In the 2022 Pakistan floods, millions were left stranded. Roads disappeared. Communication towers collapsed. Victims had no internet, no signals, and no way to call for help. Traditional emergency systems failed exactly when people needed them most. SARA, Safety and Rescue Assistant, is an offline AI-powered emergency response system built for disasters where networks completely fail. Using a local Wi-Fi hotspot, victims can send voice messages, photos, and rescue requests directly to coordinators without internet access. Powered by Gemma 4 and offline AI, SARA helps responders prioritize emergencies and coordinate rescue operations in real time. Because when networks go down, SARA stands up. SARA, safety delivered offline.